Hello, Business Done Now viewers, and welcome to the Marketing Show here at BusinessDoneNow.com. And it is Friday, and that means it's product review time. And for today's product, we're going to look at ScreenFlow. And basically, what ScreenFlow is, it's going to allow you to do videos right off of your computer, and then you can post them wherever you want to post them. Most people probably post them up on YouTube. And according to the author of the 10 Golden Rules of Internet Marketing, Jay Berkowitz, he says that YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world. So this is a valuable tool for you, the small business owner. This is something that you can do, leverage how-to videos. And as an example, I'm going to go through here and show you some of the things that you can use. And I have my video up here that I did a while back on how to create custom tabs for your Facebook fan page. So I'm just going to have that up, use that as an example as we go through some of the features here on ScreenFlow. And this is going to really be just for the Mac users out there. It's a Mac product, so I'm sorry if you use a PC, you're not going to be able to use this product, but I'm sure there's tons of other products out there that are similar to it. But I've used ScreenFlow before. I've used it for Business Done Now, and I think it's a really great tool that small business owners can leverage. So I just want to tell you a little bit about it. It's available for $99, and it's a one-time fee, so it's not a monthly charge. But definitely look at using this if you want to leverage maybe how-to videos. If you're looking to do how-to videos, think about using ScreenFlow and putting them up on YouTube or your website, wherever you want to utilize these videos. So want to also tell you that ScreenFlow does have a free trial that you can check out and see if it's something that you do want to use. So I recommend doing the free trial first and seeing if it's something that you like. But I want to point out that you are going to have a watermark going across your computer that says ScreenFlow across it. And so if you're thinking about doing the free trial and posting videos, you're going to have that watermark on there, and it doesn't go away until you actually purchase the product. So $99, it's available if you want to use it. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. And I just want to point out a few things for you. Basically, everything that you're going to want to use in this editing software of ScreenFlow is going to be right over here. So basically, here are your video properties. And let's say if you want to maybe shrink the video here or rotate it, what you have to do is just go down to your timeline, click right here, and then you can shrink the size if you want, but we'll go ahead and we'll just leave it right there. So we can play around here a little bit more. Here's where you can change the rotation if you want, and before you do that, just make sure that you insert a call to action in your video. So if we have it playing here, let's just do a little call it to action right there. Click OK, and let's say that we want to tip it. Let's do this rotation here that way. And okay, so now so there you can see the rotation once you have that. So don't forget to add the add video action right there. And then here's a bunch of other things that you can go ahead and play around with. The opacity right here if you want it darker or lighter. It's all right there. All right, here's the audio. So you'd click on your audio in the timeline to be able to change the audio here. So if you want to mute it, you'd go right here. If you want to have some sort of effect on there, you could choose from all these different sort of effects right here. So if you want to have like it sounding that you're in a large room, you could change it to that if you wanted to. But I think most people would want to keep it where it's at. So it's right there. I'm actually going to show you. I'm going to go ahead and delete this so we can get it back to normal real quick. Then we'll continue our product review. And right here, it's basically going to be dealing with the pointer that's on your video. I don't know where mine is right now. Right there's the pointer, just to show you, and then you can change the size of it if you want it bigger, smaller, or you can just get rid of it as well too by clicking there. You can change the click effect. So let's see how that works. Tabs up here, you can see I already have one created. You saw that like little red circle radiate when you clicked it. That's the type of effect that you can have there. Otherwise you can have none. And then there are some other options there for you. Moving on to the call out action. So let me see here. Okay, so let's say that you wanted to add a call out action. Okay, you have your video selected over here in your timeline, add a call out action. Okay, so basically here's what it happens. It just like focuses in on one area that you want to emphasize, and you can again change the viewing if you want it lighter or darker in the background, and you can also zoom up right there. You can make it bigger. So let's say that that's what we want right there, like that. Media and episodes. So this is where I upload the episodes from our website to, and then it goes away once the call out is passed, and you can make it last longer or shorter, however you want it. So that's always something important to have, especially when you want to emphasize a point in your how-to videos. And then let's just move on to text. So let's say that you want to have some sort of text in there. That's really simple as well. You can add a text box. So let's say we want one right here. We'll just put in Facebook. Just something simple so you get the idea of it. But just be aware that in your timeline it's going to be up here. So let's go ahead and start it. My fan page so that my fans can view them whenever they want, and I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing, how to create them. And then it goes away once it is passed, so you can again make it last longer or shorter if you want to. And then here you can also go ahead and you can change the color. So if you wanted a different color, say you want a yellow or something, you can do that. And you can also get rid of the solid color in the background. You can fill it with an image, or you can just get rid of it completely and have it there. So there's tons of stuff you can play with, and I'm sure if you know how to use Word, you can figure this out. It's a pretty easy to use type of software, so don't be don't think it's too difficult to use, because it's not. And then here's an important part. Let's say that you want to add a picture in there, some sort of image. You can definitely do that. You just go down here to add media, and then you can pick what sort of image you want to add in there from where you have it saved on your computer, and then it's just as simple as dragging it over and dropping it there. This is what I did. For some reason, I just put the black cover up here just to hide any sort of important information that might have been up there at that time. I'm not sure what it was, but if I wanted to, I can move it around. There's my black cover that I have, so it's something that you probably want to create anyway. If you have important information in a how-to video that you don't want others to see, you can do that. But yeah, it's just as simple as uploading something and dragging it over. And then if you want to add a recording, you can do that as well right here. When you get started with it, it's very easy to start. You would just go over here, and then you would get the option to start recording, and then it's going to count down for you when it starts recording. It also gives you options if you want to record from your computer or just record the audio. Right now we're just recording audio, but it gives you that option right away. And then once you choose what you want, then it'll start the countdown, and you can also just use some key commands to stop the video. Otherwise, you can go right up here to stop recording and click that if you want to stop the recording. So this has been a product review, sort of product walkthrough on how to use the ScreenFlow. Hopefully this will be very useful for you in your business. If you want to do the how-to videos, like I said, YouTube's very popular, and you can definitely get a lot of views there, being that it's the #2 search engine in the world. So think about using it. And my question for you today is to just share with me if you are using ScreenFlow in your business. If you think that you're going to use ScreenFlow, I'd definitely like to hear how you would use it, and if you think it's something of value to you in the future. Otherwise, let's say that you're a PC owner, I'd love to hear what kind of software that you're using as well too that really compares to the ScreenFlow. So share with me your thoughts, what you like and what you don't like about this product, so our viewers know if this product's right for them. And I will see you next time on the Marketing Show here at businessthennow.com.